we're gonna go right back here behind us.
Isn't that pretty back there?
Check out the slot canyon.
Blessed adventure. It's a blessed adventure.
Today we're running a trail here in Kanab. It's called Peekaboo, and it comes out here to the slot canyons. And we're gonna go right back here behind us.
Isn't that pretty back there?
Check out the slot canyons.
Yeah.
From what we hear, it's pretty spectacular. We've seen some pictures from earlier this week, and it looks really nice. So we're gonna take you in there with us.
Absolutely.
Here we go. So here's our group. We're working our way down the path, and we're gonna take you right into here. Oh, wow, that is looking pretty cool. I have a little sign letting you know what the trail etiquette is. It's telling you, do not write, scratch, or apply any substance to the rock walls. Keep your pets on a leash, no campfires. Stay on existing roads and trails. If you pack it in, pack it out. Look at this. Oh my. This is something we've been waiting to do. This is so cool. Wow. What do you think, babe?
Gorgeous, just gorgeous. Wow. The way the light hits up there.
Oh yeah, that is so cool. Wow.
Wow.
So we're cruising in here, and you look up there, the light, the radiant sunshine coming down through.
Wow.
This is
Sorry, I
cool.
don't want to hold up the group.
Look at this. There's a little cubby here you can dip back into.
I want a picture right there, honey.
Oh yeah, we'll definitely get some pictures over there. This is so entirely cool.
Thank God.
And it just keeps on going. The tightest part is the part we just went through, which is really cool. But this is awesome. Hope you guys are enjoying it as also.
Too wide for my old quad.
Another God's creations.
Yep, it's just beautiful.
Wow.
Look at all that up there behind us.
Wow.
That's pretty cool.
Beautiful.
Well, you've seen it there. You probably would enjoy it better if you was here, but this is as close as we can get you to help you enjoy it with us. And I'm telling you, we are definitely enjoying it. Man, look at this. Look at that. Go around there, the sun just jumps out. Just makes some beautiful, beautiful scenery.
This is absolutely gorgeous.
Does it meet your expectation?
Yes, very much.
Mine's too. So if you hike all the way past the big opening, it does come to an area where you gotta kind of climb up and then work your way back through there. So that's as far as we're gonna go, because I'm not gonna have, Kim's not gonna wanna climb up there. So it's very beautiful. Awesome trail. We have a lot of people that are of age in our group, and we have a few people that are handicapped, and this makes it nice to be able to come and get in this close to be able to check out a slot canyon like this. Some places you have to go so far out that you can't get to them, but this makes it pretty nice. We didn't walk, but probably, I don't know, 25 to 50 yards to get into the canyon from where we stopped the car. So that makes it pretty cool. And then we come back out here after we pass through that, and it opens way up like this. So pretty cool. Came around the other way, which is on the outside of the canyon. Seen this little cool little rock formation right up here. Kind of neat. We'll venture up this trail just a little more just to see what it looks like, but it looks like it goes uphill right up through there. Not as cool as the inside, so we'll head back. Today we came out to check out an area called White Pockets, and if you can see, look at the rock formation, the swirls in the rock. It's pretty awesome. Kind of give you a look around of the area so you can kind of see where we came. You can look out over there, look in the distance.
Careful, Arrow.
And you can see there's Steve and Christina and Kim and the dogs back there. Hi, honey. Hey, Kim. There she goes. But this pretty spectacular rock formation. Walk over a little ways, maybe that way, and shoot back up. Let you see. You can see here the swirl contour in the rocks as it follows it around. You see it that way, and then you can also see the swirl content in the rock as it goes around that way, all the way throughout, and then all the way over to there, up to these little pinnacles. This is a pretty cool spot. And then you look over here, you see these kind of formations. It looks like just like clumps of clay, like or molten lava formation almost. This is pretty cool. And if the contrast will come out. Oh yeah, there you go. This part here reminds me of a natural water slide. It's got the different colors of the rock. It goes from the red and white, and it goes up to the yellowish brown. And it swirls around up to here. So, oh, look at that. Just add in some water. That would be a cool little water slide. Wow, look at this. This. We're on a dusty road heading back from a trail. And we hit a spot just a minute ago. It was all powdery dirt, and the road just disappeared.
Truck and camper approaching, moving fairly quickly.
We hope that you enjoyed going with us to Peekaboo Canyon and to White Pockets. It definitely was a fun trip for us, and we hope you enjoyed it as well. We'd like to thank all of you who follow along. If you have not subscribed yet, just push that subscribe button. It's free, it's easy, and it lets you be reminded when we post next videos. We ask you to please leave us a comment. Share us with your family and friends also. We love to hear from you. We love to see your comments, and we try to respond to every last one. We hope you have enjoyed this. Continue to follow along. And as always, have a blessed day from Noel's Blessed Adventures.